Alright, here's Appa Xiao Wong Tai Ha, and I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of greens.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make Xiao Wong Tai Ha. Xiao Wong meaning soya sauce, premium soya sauce, and Tai Ha is a big prawn. So I have a few pieces of prawns here. This is, the packet actually says flower prawn. It's one type of deep sea prawn from Sabah, because I bought it from Sabah. And I heard it's very sweet and it's pretty rare, yeah? So I'm going to make this into a soya sauce prawn tonight. And it's very simple. I'm going to deep fry this and make the sauce and add, combine the prawn and sauce together. That's it. So let's prepare the sauce. I'm going to give it a little bit of oyster sauce. This is about maybe half tablespoon. 1 round of light soya sauce, Xiao Wong, soya sauce, very important. And for the color, I'm giving it some dark soya sauce, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, a bit of Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore for those interested. A few dashes of white pepper, and a small bowl of Shaoxing wine. Right. Next, we will mix everything up and make sure everything is nicely dissolved, especially the salt and sugar. You can put a little bit of sweet soya sauce if you have, sweet dark soya sauce, yeah? Right? And our sauce is ready. Right, so you prepare some oil. You're going to deep fry. Make sure your oil is hot enough, which is at least 150 above. A little bit on the smoking point, which is also okay, yeah? Mine, this is slightly lesser than smoking point, I can tell. So let's put in the prawn. It will splatter, so be very careful. Oh, the prawn is very beautiful. I never cooked this type of prawn before. Actually, I have 6 other pieces, which is almost double the size of this. I'm going to steam that in some other day. Now, the thing about deep frying prawn is that you don't want to overcook your prawn. So about at least 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes. That would be just nice. So why is it I use deep fry, then only I combine together, is because when you deep fry, it has a more even contact. All your prawns has more even contact with the oil, so that the cookedness, 熟程度, Chinese say 熟程度, the cookedness of the prawn can be more evenly done. Of course, at the restaurant, they will put a lot more oil than this lah. So some people may say, Appa, you always fry things. What are you going to do with the prawn? Well, for this round here, if you are using some oil to deep fry your prawn, then your oil will eventually become prawn oil, where you can actually use it to to pan fry or stir fry veggie, or you can fried rice or fried noodle with it. But to be very honest, today the oil I use is a recycled oil from yesterday. So I will decide whether I want to reuse this one more time or not. Usually I only reuse my oil maximum once. See, this is about 1 minute plus. You can see the prawn is almost there. And to be honest, today I did not devein. You can devein if you like. Actually, for this dish, it's better to devein because so that the soya sauce flavor can go in your prawn easier. Why I did not devein today? Number 1, because Appa is lazy. Number 2, it actually looks better on video without devein. Alright, so once it is about 2.5 minutes or close to 3 minutes, I will take it out. Don't cook your prawn more than 3 minutes. It will become mushy. Right, this is approximately close to 3 minutes. The prawn is done. Super fragrant right now. I'm going to take it out. So our prawn here is basically 90% or close to 100% cooked. Later what we need to do is just make the sauce and mix the sauce together with the prawn, that's it. And your prawn will not be overcooked. See how beautiful it is. Oops, go in, nice. So whatever left here is actually the prawn oil. You can use it to stir fry noodle or even fried rice. You'll be very, very fragrant. Or use it to stir fry veggie also can. Alright, now I'm getting another wok here. On the fire. Bring the sauce. Saute the sauce a little bit. The sauce has started to thicken up and boil. Let me zoom in a bit for you. And allow it to thicken up by itself. Now we can put in the prawn. Of course, if you can flip, just flip. Alright, here's Appa Sia Wong Tai Ha, and I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of greens. This is green onion. Done. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.